The twins and her mama showed back up this afternoon. They're out there working on the last of that feed block. The twins are eating on it. Mama's out that way behind the feeder. You can't see her right now. She was up here just a couple of minutes ago. It's the first time we've seen them today. Usually they're up here 2 or 3 times a day at least. The way they've been going at that feed block, I might have to go get another one here tomorrow or the next day. You can't beat that Antler King Granite XL. They've been loving it. Again, I'm not sponsored by Antler King. I buy these with my own money, but I ain't found nothing else that to come in here and hit that hard. If y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, notification bell, and leave me some comments. I love to hear what you got to say. Thanks a lot, guys.